Hi everyone, I was working on a project and I encountered some of the issues. Specifically, I wanted to see the entire history of my repo, the entire Git commit and Git history. So there, I found out there are a couple of methods. First one is terminal-based method. Simply, if you are using VS Code, simply see that look go into the terminal, and if you have Git installed in your computer, then it's going to work fine. And for other methods as well, you need VS Code and Git installed in your computer. So first method, so this one, I am not using this one method, terminal method, because it's not working on my computer. The second method is simply go to the Explorer in VS Code and go to the timeline section. You are going to see your projects just like this and a timeline section. If you are using Git, if you have Git installed in your computer, then it's going to show something like this. All these are the all of these are the commits related to this specific file. If you change the file, then it's going to change, right? If you click on these commits, you can see that you can compare this commit, this file, current file. This is the current file, and this one is the previous one. You can compare them and look at how they are working and how they are looking. Right. You can do other stuff as well, uh, like filtering, etc. But if you want to do some advanced stuff, you cannot use this timeline method. But for basic stuff, this is the best option you have. And if you need to look at the history for just for basic stuff, then don't use the third method. The third method basically is an extension of Git history extension. You just need to install it. It's free and it's going to work perfectly fine. How to use this Git history basically. So if you want to use, there are a couple of methods. Just git log. If you are going to type this symbol, you are going to see this option. If not, then type this out and click on this. And this is going to show you the entire repository history, the history of the entire repo, all the authors and all the branches and the URL of the Git. If you click on this, you are going to go to the repo, the fork repo. This is my fork repo, and it's showing this. And you can search specific commit and everything else. There are other methods as well. Most of the time, you are not going to use this. You can copy the hash function, hash number, soft hard commit, tag branch, and specific. You are most of the time, maybe in future, you are going to use this cherry pick this commit into the current branch. I guess this one is very useful. If you click on this, if you click on any commit, you can see the uh, the commit and you can compare with the current file. You can compare them. It is going to work perfectly fine, and you can search specific commit and you can search by the authors as well, filter by authors. Another thing which you can do is if you go to some specific file, let's say I go to this specific file and click on right click and go to the view file history. So you can see the commits as well. This is showing you just timeline thing. You can see the entire commit, all the commits which include this specific file and the authors and branches as well. Click on the specific commit and workspace. Click on the workspace and you can see compare them with any specific file, right? And you can view them individually. So this file is showing you the current one. This one is previous commit, and you can do other stuff. You can look at the history as well. It's green, so it's showing you uh, the current file, whether this file is included in the commit or not. So if you click on this, it's going to compare, let you compare. This is the current one, this is the previous one. You can compare the file with other thing as well, like Nest.js config. If you click on this, you can compare them as well. But most of the time, you are going to use this for comparison purpose and nothing else. And I hope this is going to be very helpful. This is very useful product, very useful extension. And if you are looking for something like this, then I hope this video is going to be helpful. It took me almost 2 hours to find this. I was searching for this something like this to see entire repo, entire history, etc., all the commits. So I hope this video is going to be helpful. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.